Brindle Pitbull Complete Guide, Family Guardian or Dangerous Dog? It would be easy to believe that the Brindle Pitbull is a specific type of pitbull, similar to the red or blue-nosed pitbull. However, this is in fact not the case. The brindle simply refers to the color of the pitbull's coat. A pitbull refers to either an American Pit Bull Terrier or an American Staffordshire Terrier. This breed is affectionate, loyal and strong. Unfortunately though, they are misunderstood as they get too much bad press due to the way they are sometimes used by people. Look past the misunderstandings, and you will find a loving companion who is loyal to the end. To learn more about the Brindle Pitbull and whether they are the right dog for you, watch on. Before going into the video, you need to grab the free Dog Training Secrets Guide, in which we have disclosed the deepest dog training secrets that professional dog trainers don't want you to know about. These training secrets would help you have a well-behaved, super intelligent, smart, and obedient dog without spending hundreds of dollars. So make sure to check the first link in our description to the free video series guide. Now let's get into today's video. What is a Brindle Pitbull? A Brindle Pitbull is either an American Pit Bull Terrier or an American Staffordshire Terrier that has a brindle coat. People often affectionately refer to them as simply pit bulls or pitties. They were originally bred for blood sports. Events like bear baiting required muscular dogs with powerful jaws. Thankfully, these awful forms of entertainment are no longer legal. However, one good thing that came out of it was this beautiful dog. Pit bulls are now used as search and rescue dogs and also as therapy dogs. They are incredibly intelligent and have relatively low care needs. The most important thing with this breed is that you tackle socialization from a young age. The American Staffordshire Terrier is a breed recognized by the American Kennel Club. Brindle Pitbull appearance. The color of the Brindle Pitbull is what sets this dog apart from the rest. They are not just one block color but a combination of dark and light colors all mixed together. With the brindle coloration you mostly see predominantly light colors, such as yellow, mixed with the darker colors, such as black. This coloration is not as rare as many breeders would like you to think. It is also found in boxers and greyhounds. The coat itself is short and stiff, so they don't shed too much, and because of this they don't need lots of grooming. Pit bulls' physical appearances are quite eye-catching. They are muscular and stocky in build, with a wide face and short muzzle. Their ears naturally drop down, and you can find brindle pit bulls that are red-nosed pit bulls or blue-nosed pit bulls. Height and weight. A brindle pit bull is going to be around the same height and weight as any other pit bull. So you should expect them to be around 17 to 21 inches tall at the shoulder. They should weigh around 30 to 60 pounds, with males being heavier than females. Colors and coat. The color of their coat is what makes this dog stand out. Brindle markings are stripes or swirls of alternating, colored fur. They are most often a light color against a darker color, for example yellow on brown or red on black. The different types of brindle coat you might find are black, red, blue, fawn and blue fawn. With these coats, you will usually find the light color is more visible than the dark color. In a reverse brindle pit bull, it's the other way around. Dogs can also have brindled points. This is where certain points on the dog, such as their muzzle or ears, are darker, or they may just have patches of brindle color. Their coat is short and stiff, which means they don't need lots of grooming as they don't shed much. Brindle Pitbull temperament. Pit bulls are best described as being affectionate, loyal and loving. They are highly intelligent and playful and are often seen as big goofs by their families. Interestingly, there are some people that think the coat color of a pit bull will change its temperament. There is no scientific data to back this up, so your brindle pit bull will have the same temperament as any other pit bull. This is an energetic dog that requires a moderate to high amount of exercise every day. This includes play sessions, as the pit bull is a people-focused dog and will love spending time with its family. Although this dog loves its human family, they don't always play well with other dogs. You should put a heavy focus on socialization with other dogs when they are young. Pit bulls have a bad reputation because they are sometimes used by unethical owners for fighting. This breed is not naturally aggressive. In fact, they pass the American Temperament Test Society's temperament tests with a score of 86.4%. This is higher than the Golden Retriever. This breed loves its family to the point of getting upset if left alone for long periods. Separation anxiety is an issue with this breed. They are not particularly prone to barking, but they can turn destructive if they have nothing to occupy them. Chewing and digging are both problems that can occur if they are anxious or bored. Pitties are an incredibly intelligent breed, which is why they are used as search and rescue dogs and service animals. They are likely to quickly form the strongest attachment to their main human. They love to bond with a large family. Having more people in the family leads to less alone time. Is a Brindle Pitbull a good family dog? Pit bulls are excellent dogs for families. They were known as nanny dogs in Britain many years ago. How to train a Brindle Pitbull. The Pitbull is incredibly intelligent, which makes training them a pleasure. They are eager to learn and are extremely responsive. With the Pitbull, any form of punishment can create behavioral issues, so positive reinforcement is the most effective training method. Most pit bulls are food focused. You can reward them with a tasty treat when they perform the correct behavior. This will keep them interested in training and nip any stubbornness in the bud. They need a strong socialization plan when they are young. Make sure to regularly introduce them to all different types of people. Give your guests treats to give your pup to make the whole experience a positive one. When meeting other dogs, it is best to keep them on a leash. This enables you to control the situation. If you are in a safe, enclosed environment with another dog you could let them off the leash. It's always best to supervise these interactions. To prevent boredom, pit bulls benefit from activities like agility and obedience training. This gives them a job to do and keeps their body and brains active, which is great for them and you. Providing them with strong toys that they won't just chew straight through is important as well. Caring for a Brindle Pitbull. If you are interested in bringing a Brindle Pitbull into your life, there are certain things that you need to consider. They need someone who will be with them for the majority of the time. They also need an active owner who will keep up with their exercise needs. During their puppy stages, they need lots of attention. Training and socialization should be done consistently every day, so if you are busy caring for young children, this may not be the dog for you. Their grooming requirements are not too tricky. They just need brushing once or twice a week and baths when they become dirty. They may suffer from some health issues, especially later in life, so you should take this cost into consideration when thinking about buying this dog. Exercise requirements. The Brindle Pitbull is going to need 60 to 90 minutes of exercise a day. They enjoy walks, but due to their occasional issues with other dogs, it's best to keep them on a lead. This means that their favorite form of exercise is likely to be playing with you in a yard. Having an enclosed backyard is a must for pit bull owners. They need space where they are able to run around and be the big goof that they are. Games like fetch and hide and seek are ideal for this fun-loving pooch. You could also take them to agility classes, as this is an excellent form of exercise. These classes help them exercise their body and brain. You should practice the activities you learn together in your garden. Grooming and shedding. Pit bulls have low grooming requirements. They have short, stiff fur that does not shed much. All they need is a brush twice a week to remove any loose hair and dirt. They only need baths when they are dirty or smelly. Just make sure not to overdo it, as it can damage their fur. Their nails should be clipped every couple of months, and you should clean their ears every week and also their teeth pretty much every day. Finally, make sure to keep them up to date with worming and flea treatments, as they can suffer from skin allergies triggered by fleas. Known health problems. The Brindle Pitbull is susceptible to all the same health problems as any other pit bull. If you're like most dog parents, or parents-to-be, you care for your pet immensely. Having pet insurance could save you from potential headaches of going to the vets with reimbursement for every vet bill from now on. Save massively on your pet's medical costs, whether it's an illness, injury, or wellness expense that needs taking care of. Hip dysplasia is a big one, but the odds of this can be reduced by using good breeders who test their adult dog's hip scores before breeding them. Other conditions to look out for are skin allergies and hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism may cause obesity, which in turn might lead to joint issues. The best way to keep an eye on this is to regularly weigh your dog and to make sure you are feeding them a healthy diet. How long does a Brindle Pit Bull live? You should expect a healthy pit bull to live between 12 to 15 years. Buying a Brindle Pit Bull. If you have owned pit bulls before, one option is adopting a Brindle Pit Bull from a local shelter. Unfortunately, shelters are often full of lovely pit bulls that have drawn the short straw when it comes to first families. You may be taking on a dog with a little baggage, but rescuing a dog is the most rewarding feeling in the world. If you decide to buy a Brindle Pit Bull puppy, don't be misled by breeders who try and tell you that Brindle is a rare coat color. A good breeder will likely not list their puppies as pit bulls. They will use the full name or an abbreviated version. When you go to look at the puppies, they should be in a clean environment. You should be able to meet the mother and hopefully the father too. This allows you to check their temperaments for yourself. How much does a Brindle Pit Bull puppy cost? A Brindle Pit Bull puppy is likely to cost between $800 and $1,000. If you are interested in adoption, it's probably going to cost around $250, which is much cheaper than buying a puppy. The Brindle Pit Bull is, in all ways but color, the same as any other pit bull. This is a fun-loving, goofy dog that loves to play and cuddle. They need lots of exercise and because of this are best suited to an active family. Ideally they need an enclosed backyard which they can run around in. They also need someone to keep them company most of the time as they don't like being left alone. These dogs are an amazing addition to families. Whether you are looking to adopt or you are buying a puppy, we think you will have many wonderful years with your Brindle Pitbull. And don't forget to check out the free video series that teaches the quick and easy way to an obedient dog, so make sure to get yours by clicking the first link in the description. If you like the video then make sure to hit that like button. Also if you want more dog training, guides, information then make sure to subscribe to our channel. Let me know what you think of this video in the comments and thank you for watching. And please consider subscribing our channel for more about dog training and dog breeds content every day.